Good morning, Shannon. I'm making this video for you just to kind of do a quick audit of your website and give you some tips and tricks that I can see just by looking without having backend access. So I would be able to do a much more thorough audit if I did. But yeah, so here we go. I do like your website so far, but there's one big problem that I haven't been able to figure out, and it seems like you're an entrepreneur coach, but I just don't see that as like a main theme of the website, and it looks like it, but I'm just trying to make sure. But looking here through Ahrefs, this is a tool I use to help me with your analytics. First off, you don't have an H1 header on your home page. Additional menus are there, and you only have 455 words of content. I know you have a boatload of content on your website, so that helps offset that, but usually Google likes to see more content on your website. And throughout that content, you want to be found for buyer intent keywords. And buyer intent to me are usually location and a service. So if you're an entrepreneurial coach, then you want to be an entrepreneurial coach in a certain area. But if you're also just national, then those could be buyer intent keywords too. The other thing you could do is if you save your images alt text correctly, instead of it saying Lynn Christian, you can have it be saying entrepreneurial coach or any other keywords that you're trying to do for that particular page. So that's just kind of one thing. When I look at your analytics, this is once again the same tool, but your website has a domain rating of 52 and a page rating of 14. And this is the strength and trust that Google has for your website, and those are due to your backlinks and referring domains. And it seems like you know what they are, but just in case, a backlink is when you link one website to another website via a clickable button or text. But not all backlinks are created equal, and you want to try and stay within your industry and location whenever possible. But it does look like you're getting quite a bit of people to your website each and every month, but at the same time, they might not be the buyer intent keywords that we are looking for, because you're ranking for 18,000 keywords. They're not all ranking number one, but like core values example, you're getting almost 1,000 people to your website just based off of that one, and because there's 9,000 people searching for it. So if you're looking to be generating more leads as opposed to more traffic, I would try and figure out the buyer intent keywords surrounded around your industry, and then try and rank for those ones instead of, what should I do with my life? There's 11,000 people and you're getting 350 people to your website, and you might. Well, let me just look at this real quick. I should have done this before, but I'm gonna here. So this is your blog on what to do with my life. But at the same time, what I would recommend also is if you're looking for these to turn into leads, you need to have some sort of form submit, a call button, some way for them to contact you right at the top. Like this, it was a while ago, but at the same time, that's something that you need to have on your website so they can contact you or get in touch with you. Because if you don't have a way to get them contacted right up top, they might read part of your stuff, but then they might just bounce after that. So just kind of something to think about as well. I did look at one of your pages and it said Entrepreneurial Life Coach, so I did look up Entrepreneurial Life Coach in search, and I'm in Layton, Utah, so that's where mine's here. But you do get your Google ads right up top, so these are people who are paying. If I click here, it's cost per click, and these are great ways to generate leads quickly if that is something you're looking for. But once again, we would have to look and see what type of keywords you're going to go after. And then moving down to CEO Coaching International, this is the top competitor for this particular buyer intent keyword. And looking at their website, your website has way more traffic, better domain and URL ranking, but I think, let me just double check that they have a few better buyer intent keywords. Let me double check. But yeah, those are a few things that you can do to, like entrepreneur coaching, they're number one for that. There's not as many searches, but I would say that or business coach for entrepreneurs, those are better buyer intent keywords than what should I do with my life. because I'm assuming that when people are searching entrepreneur coaching services, they're looking for someone to coach their, for coaching for their entrepreneur. So I hope that this is beneficial for you. I'd love to talk to you more and figure out some more things for you. And so, yeah, after you watch this video, just give me a call or a text. I'll send you my information on the Facebook message. Thanks, Shannon. Have a great day.